Did you know hashtags are an important part of your Pinterest marketing plan? Today we're going to talk about Pinterest and hashtags so you can find out what you do need to know. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want more content like this, make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified every time a new video goes up. I'm Karen Terradas with Social U, and over the last 12 years, I've helped hundreds of people just like you grow their businesses through social media and digital marketing. What's worked for them can also work for you, so let's jump right in. First and foremost, hashtags work on Pinterest just like they do everywhere else. It makes it easier for people to find you, and it allows you to assign keywords to a post that may not already have the keyword in it, that may not already have the keyword that they're looking for in it. So if I have a pin about social media, but it's specifically about Pinterest, I can include hashtags like social media marketing, and Pinterest, where if I was using just my keywords or just my description, social media marketing might not play into that at all. You want to make sure you add hashtags to all of your descriptions from this point forward. You want to be specific and descriptive, also a little bit creative, because it will help you on hashtags to get just a little bit creative based on how people search for information in your industry. Make sure you use your brand hashtag. So if your company's name is Social U, you want to use hashtag Social U, which makes it easier for people to find you and your information. You want to use somewhere between 2 to 8, but no more than 20. At least 2 is a good idea because it helps Pinterest understand how to categorize you. 8 is outstanding. When you start to get past 20, it's confusing and it makes it more difficult for people to find you. Hashtag searches favor the recent pins, so there's absolutely no need for you to go in and update descriptions for your old pins. Just make sure from this point forward to include hashtags on your recent pins. And that's it. There you have it. What's your most used hashtag on social media on all of your platforms? Let me know in the comments below. Hashtags are great, but it takes more than a hashtag to grow your views on Pinterest. Download my free checklist by clicking on the link in the description below. It will give you all the ingredients you need to have for an awesome Pinterest account to really grow your business. Remember, I post content every Tuesday and Friday at 2 p.m. So if you don't want to miss any of the information I have to share, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You can also watch my video, The #1 Secret to Growing Your Pinterest. I'll see you next time. I'm Karen Terradas with Social U, and I'm here to help.